Lord. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Pebbles Bambiino. And if you're new, welcome. Don't forget to like the... Okay, let's just start over. Okay? Yeah, let's start over.
For the old me, need you for my sanity, need you to remind me where I come from. Can you remind me of my gravity? Ground me when I'm tumbling,
Bambiino, welcome back if you are returning, and welcome if you're new. For all my new people, don't forget to subscribe, hit that button below, and also hit that bell so that you'll know when I'm uploading, because I'm not going MIA like I have been. Today I just wanted to come on here and do a unboxing of my Kendra's Boutique frontal. Kendra's Boutique is popping from, you know, I'm a little late actually, because I'm relatively new to frontals. Really, not really, honestly. I lied. Okay, I got my first frontal in 2015, so I'm not relatively new, but Kendra's Boutique is relatively new to me. So I just wanted to do an unboxing of their frontal, and to let you all know and show you all, if you are interested in frontals, if you want to see what the hype stylists are using, well, the clients that they have are purchasing Kendra's Boutique's frontals, and that's who they've been using. I know for Tay, that company is one of the frontals he prefers, because when it comes to frontals, you have to get a quality one in order for it to look as natural as you want. Right now I am wearing a Kendra's Boutique frontal, and I purchased this one on Black Friday, because that's another thing with frontals, you do have to replace them. So when this one gets balder than bald, I'm going to go ahead and switch it out. With Kendra's Boutique, the pricing is pretty standard for frontals. So let's just get right into it. I've already opened it. So it comes in a regular priority mail padded envelope. And I only have bought a frontal from her. So let's just go ahead and open everything up. So straight out the bag, this is the frontal. It is in a plastic packaging, and it has the K and the website on the actual bag. Let's see what else is in here. She also gives you some pamphlets. Let's see which each one is. So the first one is a bundle deals pricing flyer. China's on there, and there's another very pretty young lady on there, and it shows you pretty much all the pricing for her bundle deals, and they really have pretty good pricing. But I'm really only into Indian hair. So I have a Kendra's Boutique frontal on, and I have Hair Addict online Indian wavy bundles. So majority of the time, 9 times out of 10, if you ever see any hair that I'm wearing, the bundles are always Indian. The frontal is what I've had issues with finding a quality one from. So I'm on a quest to find an Indian frontal that's really good. I know there are some that are out there, but I haven't tried it. So, and when I first started wearing frontals, 2015, there weren't really any virgin Indian hair frontals going on. So, you know, I had just been trial and erroring it out till I found one that I liked. But I'm rambling. All right, the next pamphlet is the Ultimate Hair Care. So it has an array of questions in here about what some of the hair terms are, how much hair you may need, some products that are suggested, and maintenance, and what it is that you can do with the hair. Like, it's a question that says, can I go swimming? But yeah, that's in the pamphlet. And on the back we have a little message from Kendra herself and the social media tag. So if you're interested in purchasing from Kendra's boutique, or I'll have her website information and her social media handle in the description below. But that's what was in there. Let's see what else is in here. So there is a bag. Oh, that's so cute. It says, I'm a hair barb. Oh, that is so cute. And on the back it has Kendra's boutique and the website again. This is really cute. I don't know what I would put in here. I don't know. Maybe my old hair, like hair that's dirty. I don't know. I do need storage location for my hair. I do keep them in like satin bags, but yeah. And the last thing that it's in here, I've been using it, so it's not fresh out the bag. It's this cute crystal brush. It's really cute. It's a detangling brush. This came with my Black Friday package. The difference in my initial order and this order is that I did not receive this brush the first time, and I did not get a bag the first time. So for Black Friday, those were two additional gifts that I received. I wonder if it was because it was Black Friday. I'm pretty sure it is. But the brush also had said K hair barb, but it's smudged. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know if any of you all have received this brush. Did that happen to yours too? I mean, nonetheless, it doesn't matter. I love this brush. It's so cute. So girly. Definitely a nice little gift to receive with your hair, because I'm putting it in my purse. It's gonna be my travel brush. But let's open up the funnel and get into her. So I ordered an 18-inch body wave frontal. Get some of this stuff out the way. So this is it straight out of the packaging. Hasn't been co-washed, hasn't been wet, hasn't been anything from me anyway. This is it straight out the packaging. I got one strand just now. Let's see. None. Nothing. Nothing again. The lace is like a medium. Okay, let me rewind. Yeah, the lace is kind of like a light brown. I think I'm gonna have to tint this one, because compared to my arm and I mean, I could do it, because actually with this frontal I have on, I didn't tint it until I applied it this time. So I bought this one back in October. October? Did I put that in October? Okay. Yeah, I bought it. I think I bought it in October, but I didn't install it until November. So I've been wearing it for about almost 2 months now. It is getting to the point where it is shedding and stuff. That's because I bleached my knots. But this is one reason why I really love her frontals. Why I bought it again. Before I even got a full wear out of this one, I went ahead and bought another one. On her frontals, the hairline. Okay, so let me see if I can kind of show you all. Okay, so you see this frontal definitely has its already dips and curves as it should. But like this area on my head, this area falls like right here. And my my hairline already has a lot of dips and curves. I'm one of those people that has a low hairline. So my little baby hairs, my real baby hair, extend like around here. So I love that on her frontals, that area also extends. So I'm not placing any adhesive or whatever I'm using to put my frontals down on my actual hair, that I'm actually able to go around with the hairline that the frontal has and, you know, recreate my hairline. But yeah, I like it. I do like her frontals. I think they are really good quality. The lace is nice. It's thin, but it's still sturdy. And that's what you definitely want. So, you know, obviously she did something right, because I went ahead and purchased it again before I even got a full wear out of the first one. So, yeah. If it was bad, I would have been mad, because now I have another one. But no, it's not bad frontal. I do like it. The hair was very, very, very silky when I first installed it. But let's stick to this one. Let's stick to this. I'm actually going to do a comparison to her frontal and an AliExpress vendors. I'm not sure whose I'm going to work with yet, or whose I'm going to purchase. This video was not sponsored. I did purchase this frontal with my own money. But I am going to also purchase another one, because I want to do another wig that's not for this black unit, to see how they compare to each other. So if you would like to see that video, give me a thumbs up. Let me know what other companies you may want to see frontals from, or whoever, you know. I'm definitely addicted to frontals. I skipped closures and went straight to frontals. I went from leave out to frontals, and I've been frontals ever since. So I've tried frontals from, what was the first one I had? Pink Couture Hair, which is located here in DMV. I've had Hair Addict Frontal. I've tried Luv Me Hair. I've tried, well, these are all the frontals, not hair. I've tried Luv Me Hair. I've tried, what is it? What is that company? The Iola. Get Glam with Coco. She recommended Ali Moda. Yeah. Back to Kendra's. We're going on a tangent again and again and again. Okay, so this again is the 18-inch frontal. The luster is really nice. Nice, and has a nice natural shine to it. The ends look pretty good. I do see some split ends. I mean, hey, whatever. Just pulled out a strand. Y'all see that? That's nothing to worry about. But yeah, my dad is from black and she's gonna be good to go. I just wish frontals would, like, the hair would stay on them. Like, I hate that they bald. I hate that you have to replace them out so often. But now I'm gonna try to take care of this one because I'm trying to learn, you know, I'm learning. But yeah, again, but that's it, you know. Overall, my rating on Kendra's Boutique Frontal, say I have a rating of 10. I give it a 10 out of 10, honestly. I mean, considering what you should expect with frontals, hers are no different really. But that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. I will see you all in my next video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Let me know what other videos you all want to see, whether it's hair, fashion, and don't forget to go check out my other videos. I love you, babies. Bye. Ooh, what was that? Girl, what was that? It looked retarded. Bye, y'all.